Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I am going to talk about an essay on humility in English, 450 words. According to the nature of people and their position and rank, taking the side of gentleness and considering oneness inferior and small is called humility and humbleness. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Ahzab, Innal Muslimina wal Muslimati wal Mu'minina wal Mu'minati wal Qanitina wal Qanitati was Sadiqina was Sadiqati was Sabirina was Sabirati wal Khashiina wal Khashiyati wal Mutasaddiqina wal Mutasaddiqati والصائمين والصائمات والحافظين فروجهم والحافظات والذاكرين الله كثيرا والذاكرات أعد الله لهم مغفرة وأجرا عظيما. For Muslim man and woman, for believing man and woman, for devout man and woman, for true men and women, for men and women who are patient and constant, for men and women who humble themselves, for men and women who give in charity, for men and women who fast, for men and women who guard their chastity, and for men and women who engage much in Allah's remembrance. For them has Allah prepared forgiveness and great reward. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Whoever humbles himself for the sake of Allah, Allah will give him elevation. A humble person does not think that he is superior to others and does not appreciate arrogance and self-aggrandizement. Also, a humble person will not seek favors in exchange for support. Helping others and showing compassion comes naturally to them. To be humble is also to be kind. Humility, kindness, and gentleness are characteristics that are often considered old-fashioned. The hustle and bustle of our daily life makes us forget these virtues. People don't value humility these days simply because the modern lifestyle does not instill confidence in people. The general advice to be cautious and keep an eye on your competitors. Self-esteem and stubbornness are generally considered essential to achieving life goals. All this is against the principle of humility. However, humility does not mean being timid or allowing others to trample on you. Being humble does not mean you become submissive or fail to assert yourself when needed. In simple words, humility is being respectful and dignified in your social behavior. Importance of humility. Simply because humility is primarily about being kind, generous, and polite, it is highly underrated in modern society. However, today hectic world and fast-paced social and corporate life can benefit most from humility. Being polite makes you more likable and trustworthy, and it's conducive to learning. These are also the traits that great personalities and leaders display. Legendary South African leader Nelson Mandela once said, All great peacemakers are men of integrity, honesty, but humility. Polite people are not only more civilized and considerate but also have more self-control because they know what they are doing at all times. A humble person focuses on achieving personal goals and organizational goals. Humility makes people better learners and thinkers. Humble people can make decisions with more agility and than others. A humble person will not give into pressure. He will analyze the situation and focus on finding the best way forward for himself and others. Such behavior makes humble people aware of the extent of their potential and acts accordingly. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.